Energy is always evolving, and so are we. Introducing EcoFlow OCEAN 2, built for every stage of your home's energy journey. Seamless power, enduring performance. Every energy experience begins with the sun. 3 independent MPPTs optimize input in real time. OCEAN 2 unlocks more usable rooftop space, capturing more solar energy and turning every ray into real power. Powered by over 10,000 cycle LFP cells, delivering reliable energy security for years to come. Strong, steady, whenever you need it, keeping your home running without compromise. Now, let's make it smarter. Connect seamlessly with third-party appliances through EcoFlow's open energy ecosystem. Your entire home energy system is visible in one place with a single app, powered by intelligent EcoFlow HEMS. It continuously learns your usage patterns to create a personalized energy strategy that lowers electricity costs while maximizing efficiency. Also, when your home powers down for the night, OCEAN 2 does the same. All the while, OCEAN 2 quietly safeguards the system for stable and reliable operation. Temperature is monitored across every component, while flexible circuit architecture continually enhances stability and reduces the risk of short circuits. Thermal isolation helps contain heat and prevent fire risks. Integrated fire prevention for added protection. High-strength aluminum enclosure boosts durability. Even in heavy rain or flooding, OCEAN 2 keeps running. Protection isn't just about risk, it's about power you can trust. When the grid goes down, you won't notice. OCEAN 2 keeps your whole home powered. Power should be invisible, so should the system. Pre-wired design simplifies installation. Now, you can mix and match new and existing EcoFlow systems for greater flexibility. Start small, expand anytime. Built to grow with your energy needs. OCEAN 2 powers your entire energy journey.